I'm going to give you a short demonstration of the OBI3 eating robot. So the first thing I do is push the white button. The white button will actually give me a bite of food. And I use the recline function of my wheelchair to go forward to take a bite. Now if I push the white button again, it's going to go back and wait. Now if I hit the black button, I can go to a different food compartment, so I can get a different selection of food if I want in this. Today I have the three of the same in 3 different compartments. Do one more bite. I can eat independently again. I love this thing. Thanks for watching.